Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Javon Keys. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, TVJ, says there are a few occurrences which could induce growth in the local economy for the quarter ending this month. At a press briefing on Wednesday, Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Dr. Wayne Henry, says there has been increased activities in some industries following the passage of Hurricane Beryl.
Improved business and consumer confidence, which could serve to drive domestic demand. Stronger than expected growth in the global economy, which could strengthen external demand, and the expected boost in construction-related activities associated with the recovery and rebuilding efforts following Hurricane Beryl. Increased capital expenditure for road repairs, as well as on electricity, water, and telecommunication distribution systems, are expected to provide a boost to the construction industry.
The TVJ projects GDP to decline for the July to September period in the range of -0.1% to -1%. To some company news now, McNaughton has been appointed the Chief Operating Officer of lighting and PVC manufacturing firm Fosrich. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Fosrich says this took effect on September 2. Mr. McNaughton served as CEO of QMax Wealth Management. Up to 2019, he led Barita Investments. He was also chairman of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. In this role, Fosrich says he will oversee the day-to-day running of the stores island-wide. Mr. McNaughton replaced Michelle Thame, who was the operations manager. She demitted office on July 31. Let's head to the markets now. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $158.29. The Canadian is going for $117.75. $207.34 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for $171.57. And to the stock market, the JSE main index declined by 4,382 points today, while the junior market index increased by 10 points. Among the 37 winners were Paramount Trading Jamaica, JMMB Group 7% shares, R.A. Williams, Cargo Handlers, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. The 51 losers were led by Jamaica Producers, Knutsford Express Services, Salada Foods, Everything Fresh, and Kingston Wharves. 20 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.